Want to look younger and say goodbye to belly fat? It all starts with breakfast. Let's dive into 10 delicious foods that can help you achieve just that. Greek yogurt, packed with protein and probiotics, it boosts metabolism and keeps your skin glowing. 2. Avocado, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, it hydrates your skin and keeps those wrinkles at bay. 3. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants that fight aging and reduce inflammation. 4. Oats, high in fiber, they keep you full longer and help reduce belly fat. 5. Eggs, packed with protein and essential vitamins, they're great for muscle maintenance and a youthful appearance. 6. Nuts, almonds and walnuts provide healthy fats that improve skin elasticity and reduce belly fat. 7. Green tea, loaded with antioxidants and boosts metabolism to help burn fat. 8. Spinach, full of vitamins and minerals, it promotes healthy skin and reduces bloating. 9. Chia seeds, high in fiber and omega-3s, they help control hunger and improve skin health. 10. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production and youthful skin. Incorporate these power-packed foods into your breakfast for a youthful glow and a flatter belly. Here's to a healthier, happier you.